Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s over 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So I will put number 2 go to here. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. The s we change by 2 du. The integration of secant of u tan u. We have secant of u, and then I will put about c. About u, that's about s over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.